My dolce of ciadas, cheese-filled fritters drizzled with honey, used to be served as a second course to tired shepherds who'd spent all day out in the fields. Now, it's an after-dinner treat that is known all over Italy. And what I'm mixing up is flour, melted butter, and just enough water to bring all those ingredients together. The filling for this dolce is pecorino romano. That should do it. Now, what goes well with a great Romano cheese like this? A hint of lemon zest. That is going to make it have that sweet, dolce finish, but with a lemony zing. Beautiful. And I'm going to use a small fluted cutter to cut out the little rounds of pastry for my sayarda. Flour up my cutter, and away I go. Now it's all about filling the sayada. It's a lot easier just to wet the edge of the bottom piece of dough without having the cheese on top of it first. And for the filling, I grab a little pile of it in my hand, squeeze to form a bit of a ball, like that. Another piece of dough on top, and then seal them. My sayada won't take long at all to cook in hot oil till they're light, golden brown, and crispy. They're fried up really light and fluffy, golden brown, and I'm sure so very tender. To finish them off, a good drizzle of honey. Don't be shy with it. And just a hit of orange zest. Those lucky shepherds.